This is the second house we're staying at. Practically a big tree house. Gonna give you the tour. There's Jeff in there making coffee. Lily swinging in the hammock. One of many hammocks. Good morning, babe.
Hi.
This is still out on the porch. Really nice little sitting area. Alright, let's go inside. Kitchen. These stairs are a little rough. Alright, upstairs. This is the first bedroom. First bathroom. This is a nice little, he called it the living room. A space to sit. Another little gathering space. Second bathroom. Two bathrooms make life a lot easier. Alright, up into Lily's room. She gets the loft. Best room in the house. There you have it. Our second house.